Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X90 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, hold power key and volume up. This will bring up your boot menu and simply select power off. Once the phone turns off, you want to hold power and volume up again. And when you have the fast boot mode open, using volume or volume down, you want to select recovery mode and then confirm it with power key. From here, we're gonna choose clear data, clear all data, okay. Give it a second to finish up. From here, we're going to select return, back arrow, and restart. And OK. And this will now continue resetting the device in the background, which means that it will take it a little bit longer to boot back up into Android. So just give it a minute, 2 minutes to finish up. And once that is completed, we'll be presented with setup screen for our phone. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, we are now back in the setup. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.